Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up Apple CarPlay in a Nissan Murano. Start by confirming compatibility, turning on Siri, and using an Apple-certified USB cable to connect. Next, unlock your iPhone when the vehicle prompts pairing and accept any permission dialogues. Finally, rearrange apps on your iPhone for a tidy car, play home screen, and test navigation and audio to ensure everything works smoothly. Begin pairing with the car powered on and your iPhone ready. Put the Murano into Bluetooth discovery mode via the infotainment menu and locate the vehicle on your phone. Confirm the numeric code shown on both displays and approve pairing on each device. Once connected, check the CarPlay icon appears on the Murano screen and test a call or audio playback to verify a successful link and stable connection. If CarPlay won't connect, stay calm and try a few quick fixes. Reboot your iPhone and the car's head unit, swap in a known good Apple cable, and clear any screen time restrictions that block CarPlay. Also toggle Bluetooth and CarPlay permissions off and back on. If problems persist, reset network settings on the iPhone as a last resort, then retry pairing until navigation and apps load reliably on the Murano display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.